The Maytag washer error code F11 indicates a problem with the motor control unit, with the most common cause being a motor control unit failure. To fix this error, the best solution is to replace the control unit. This can be done by following a series of steps. First, switch off the washer and pull it away from the wall. Next, remove the top panel and take a picture of the wiring connections. Then, remove the wire connectors, the control board mounting screw, and the control board from its brackets. After that, place the new control board on the mounting slots. Replace the mounting screws, and connect the wiring harnesses to the new control board using the picture as a guide. Finally, replace the top panel, push the washer back onto the wall, and switch it on. If these steps do not resolve the issue, it may be necessary to contact a trained technician for further troubleshooting and repair, as some of these fixes can be too technical to handle without specialized tools.